The leg spar control is a highly ergonomic design to provide full articulation whether it is up, down, left, or right. To begin, the control sleeve can be slid toward the leg spar to be unlocked. This will allow the operator to adjust the location of the handle for either right or left-handed operation. For vertical and horizontal control, use control handle at the end of the spar. Push button unlocks horizontal movement. Trigger unlocks vertical movement. Using both permits universal control of the leg spar. A locking mechanism in the spar is designed to keep the spar from moving unexpectedly. If side pressure is applied to the spar before pressing the button, move the spar slightly in the opposite direction of your movement to release the tension. The spar will now move. This safety feature allows the user to maintain control of the spar and patient, even with greater patient loads. You are now free to move the spar where needed. Both the lever and the button on the spar can be applied at the same time, but only one spar, either left or right, may be actuated at one time. Understanding these ergonomic controls will ensure your ability to fully articulate the OT1000 series table spars.